Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can highlight in Evernote. Now, if you have a note that is written and you want to highlight something within that note, it could be some to give you an additional context, or it could be to emphasize something. Well, either one of those cases, you can use the highlight feature. Now, to do this, quickly select the text that you want to highlight. Let's say I want to select this text right here, which says elephant tusks serve many purposes. And once you select that sentence with your cursor, make sure you highlight it with your cursor. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on this highlight button. It's just beside the underline button. As you can see here, you can click on the drop down menu to select a color. I'll click on yellow, and there you go. That sentence or that part of my document or note is now highlighted. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can highlight in Evernote. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.